Nice modern room, nice owner and stylish room, best location, easy to access to night market. Clean, comfortable and modern location. We really liked this place during our weekend stay. It was very modern and comfortable. Bed was very comfortable. Everything is nearby and easy to reach. Walking to the beach in few minutes. Park and place for the car is available and free. We will come here again. Highly recommended. A new and modern hotel located in the heart of Kenting Main Street. Staff are friendly and helped with the booking of a driver and suggesting itinerary. Clean and nice hotel in the heart of the old street, convenient to get to the shops around. Very clean hotel. Clean and comfy room. The room is clean and modern, bed and sheets are really comfy. Parking is right across the property, which is on a narrow alley right off the Kenting Street night market, and requires some driving skill if not familiar with turning in a tight spot. Plus the host is friendly. For the price, it's a real deal. Modern hotel. Great hotel location, just off the main road. Easy to walk to the beach, main street, restaurants etc. Room was clean, beds were so comfy. The staff were extremely helpful, even going above and beyond to walk us to the laundromat and bus station personally. Hotel was a little hard to find as there is no sign out front, just the door handle is in the shape of the letter F. Overall, amazing experience. Highly recommended. Location is fantastic, staff are really friendly and helpful, especially the designated driver Will, who is really warm and nice. He's great company and did a great job bringing us around and providing insight into the different places of interest. The place is supposedly a B&B but the rooms are hotel standard. Highly recommended. It would be my first choice of accommodation if I ever visit Kenting again.